I have got Tuesday, which is today, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and I don't have much to do. I have got all of my wood bucked up and stored up for the winter so that we can heat the house. I've got enough for next year. So, as you know, we redid the windows. You've seen that episode or two. I took everything out of here so far that I wanted to reuse. This is going to be a problem. Yuck. And this is a stick frame built camper, as most Shastas were. I was just gonna build it like we always do, and I've been talking about this. Should I go back with the stick, or there you can you see? There you go. Should I go back with the stick? Because I haven't done one in forever. So I got looking back. I said, let me go back. I know I did that Aristocrat mainliner a long time ago. We're almost at 500 episodes. That's just the episodes. There's probably another 100 to 125 just random videos that we did that we didn't put an episode marker on them. So I went back to episode 66. And it's the episode for the first time that I did a stick camper. And my thing was, I keep telling you guys, if I could get the walls off in one piece and, and I can build on top of it, that'd be great. And that was kind of my excuse, if you will. And so I watched episode 66, and I'm like, I didn't even build it like that. I did another one like that. But this, episode 66, I just took the skin off, and then I just built on top of the skin. Like the skin was my pattern, as it is in all of my campers, but the skin was my pattern for the stick build. And I'm like, it's all self-explanatory, Rob. You gotta frame that out. Then you put your stick frames in, and you make some nice sticks here, because we got to have something to nail that into. So where there's something to nail into, of course, we got to have something. Obviously, the frame is going to go around. This is a tricky part, so we'll try to save that. So what I'm going to do today, I am going to take the skin off. Wish me luck. Everything came off just pretty good, really. I was real disappointed in the screws, because the screws to the windows and doors just pulled right out. These, hardly any of them did. But that's just the way it goes. But I've got my pattern. Now, here's the pattern I'm really interested in. So, I'm back you out there. You can see it's pretty straightforward. The things to remember is, there's where the bed was. So they needed something to nail the bed into. This is where the windows go, so they need something to nail the windows into. Your wings needed something to be nailed into. And over here, just as you go this way, you'll find that there's something like the potty closet. And just little things added here and there for those type of things, and for that vent that was right there. So you just really have to have something for everything to nail into. And as you can see, it's not much. You don't have to put a million nails into a cabinet for it to stay on the wall. You need to put enough, that's for sure. But what I want to do is get a real good look at this. And then when I look at that and I make all of my own pieces, one thing I like to do is get a big piece of plywood and then make like maybe from here all the way up to here for that curve to be very stable. And sometimes I'll do that here too. Just depends on what my plywood situation is. Otherwise, it's just gonna look like this. Because look, it works. It works. I don't particularly like it, but it works. So, what we probably, well, now that I'm thinking about it, and this is just a thought, because I've been out here in the heat pretty good here. You getting the suntan, you can see it on his back. What we'll do, it's like we've been doing, cut that 3/4 off. That might be an inch though. That's 3/4. So what we will do is we'll cut that 3/4 off all the way around. And then what we really will do is we'll do it on this one, because that will be what we make our pattern off of. Then we will lay this pattern, maybe, I don't know. That's just flimsy stuff, that Luan is. But we could lay out our Luan on top of this, trace it, cut it, and then leave the Luan there, and then build this on the Luan and just glue and clamp it as we go, which makes total sense right now. I've been in the heat, so don't hold me to that, because when I come back from lunch, I may make a different idea. But I think you're following me so far. We just got to make sure that, you'll see these nails in and through here, and they'll be screwed from the inside, and I can guarantee you that this is the height of the kitchen. And it is. Yeah, no, it's not. This is, because this isn't for the kitchen. Because there's a potty closet here. See, I told you I've been in the sun. I've been in the sun. So it looks like the kitchen is going to situate itself here, and then if this had finished there, then they got one down there for it as well, and another one down there. So we'll just gotta be careful. We'll look, we'll see where the pieces and parts are, and maybe we'll even toughen it up a little bit, shore it up a little bit. I'm not 100% sure I'm gonna do this, but I'm gonna give it the old college try.